Hello, I'm Ian Morris for The Inquirer. I'm here today with the Samsung Galaxy S2. Now, this is one of the most hotly anticipated Android handsets of recent times. People have been really going crazy for this phone. Samsung not least amongst them, because this is a real important handset for them, and working brilliantly there, as you can see. What makes this so special is that it's an incredibly thin and light phone. I mean, I can't really explain how light it is. Even if you read the spec, it comes in at something like 116 grams, but that doesn't really tell you how thin and light it actually is to hold. And as with the original Samsung Galaxy S, we just didn't believe it was technically possible. It feels like magic to us. This is the original Galaxy S was beset with problems in terms of judder. There was a lot of lag. Indeed, some industrious people managed to fix that with third-party tweaks, but that's not necessary here because this phone actually runs perfectly straight out of the box. You've got Gingerbread installed, so it's pretty up to date, it feels like a really nice handset. Finally, it feels like Samsung's got the right idea about how to customize these, and the new TouchWiz is okay. We're of the opinion that it's probably largely unnecessary. They do this change this home screen thing, so you scroll that way instead of up and down as you do with the stock Android build. That's a shame in some ways because we quite like the stock Android, but it's not the end of the world. It does make things a little bit harder to find, as we've just discovered. It means that you can't ever remember where anything is. But having said that, it's a nice enough layout, and what Samsung's clearly going for is the iPhone market, because this phone, indisputably looks quite a bit like an iPhone. At the back, you've got an 8-megapixel camera, which is really very good indeed. Photos and video both excellent from that. You've got a 2-megapixel camera on the front, which is really rather good too. Excellent for video calls. And really, I mean, we've been comparing this phone quite heavily with the HTC Sensation because it's the same market, same sort of people are interested. It's really very difficult to pick a winner. The Galaxy S is very good. The Sensation is bigger, heavier, kind of has a little bit more swank to it. The HTC overlay is a little bit more impressive to our mind. But overall, you wouldn't be too disappointed if you picked either of these phones.